So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Richer Craft Professional. So today we are going to be discuss again long hair butterfly layers. So my client was having something like thin and something it will be split, and she have carried, and she wants something butterfly layers which can be mentioned more bouncier look and also carry forward so more longer and flexy and visible more long layers. So that's a regard we decided to again go back with the butterfly layers. What it makes something more effects and efficient layer, and it looks clean and neat as well for long length. So as you see in the sections has to be just taken to the previous whatever we done with earlier haircuts, and the same sectioning we are following in this haircut too. The crown portions and side by side and the top portions, each and every sections has to be divided, but as it is the previously however we did it. And after that I'm just taking back sections, which is nape area, and just separating. And after that, help after the comb, I'm explaining you at the same way whatever we did last time. So finally we started one line basic haircut. So before go to the layering. After that we just take as per the bottom section for giving for graduation layer first. Then after that we just take forward something, create the elevations. So the foundations we creating with the bottom layers which can carry forward for complete up elevations and create more effect up to the butterfly layers. So after that I'm cross checking both the side. After that I thin guideline and divide, and rest of the hair I'm just plating. After that I release the crown portions and connecting with that guideline for the elevation layers. So this is called the techniques which we are using with previously, and the layers was really good in earlier haircut. Also I get a good more support and love from you guys. I'm really happy to see such things and getting more engaging on the contents. And for really wanted to be learn something offline classes for education purpose, and any tutorial classes you want to be learn, please go to the description. I mentioned the contact details all over there. Please get and contact us. And for if you really want to be follow my Facebook and Instagram page in the mentioned in the description below, please go through that. So if you're really new to my channel, please hit the like button and do share with it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And the one side is got finished, and now I'm coming for another side. The elevation which is can carry forward with consistently with the previous guideline along with a fresh hair cutting with same way. The step by step thin section we're going to be add the layers, so that can be make something consistently thin sections we adding on the layers that will make complete up to the haircut changes looks amazing. End of the day results was really good. I hope you all are understanding the haircut videos. After that, I'm cross checking with after section finished and previous one also cross checked. And after that, I'll come to the side portion. So before start the layering, I'm just connecting with one length basic on the bottom. After that, I'm just pick from the previous guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to be connect to the layers. After that, I'm cross checking. I'll come to another side with same way. So pick from the guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to be connect the layers step by step. The last section. So after that, I'm just going to be release the crown portion, big horseshoe section. So that is a major portions which is complete with entire the crown portion, carry forward the layers and the cover, and it makes more bouncer and elevator, and it looks more elegance and very volume at the haircut in the help up through this and the crown sections. So majorly the crown section, how much we add the layers, that much it will be effects will become on the haircut. So this is my previous haircuts, whichever we did, butterfly layers comes, round layers comes, and concave layers comes. This is a major portions we used to focus on the every time on the crown layers. And after that, I'm cross checking, and the same way I'm just taking as another side as well, the same thing I'm following the technique. And after that, I'm cross checked, and finally I'll come to the fringe portion. The cotton band, she was expected something bit shorter and something look in the below the eyes and exactly nose level. And after that, after a haircut finish, I'm showing with the messy layers to my client, and she was really happy on that. And finally, I start to the blow dry with section by section all the sides. And finally, I'll come to the side section. After this, I'm just coming back with another side section as well. So the blow dry things, we are just using spiral techniques with each and every haircuts, because that the styling is one of the long lasting tricks, and it just can makes more bouncier and finishing ambience will become end of the day. So if you ask me what is a blow dry secrets on the haircuts whenever I do, the only one thing I consistently follow the spiral blow dry, which is really make something, all kind of stylings will be covered on the styling techniques. But except the feather haircuts I used with this haircut styling tips and the long hair layers at all. And if comes to the short layers, and in that part something is changed with out blow dry kind of things. I change onto the methods up to the styling techniques and all. In the long hair, this is one of the best tricks, something which is can make something more bouncer and looks more voluminous on the haircut, and finishing was really good on the end of the day and looks so glossy finishing and shiny hair. A lot more things will be come onto the implement onto the haircuts, which can be, you will be see the end of the results. So that's consistently we just keep on increasing and implementing onto the haircut tricks and all. So finally we just finish on the haircut, and this is called a final presentation with the haircut. I hope you all understand and enjoyed a lot in this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I used to bring such a contents every times towards to the audience, and also new beginners also in this bringing for certain contents. And please drop me the comments after the haircut, how was the complete of the feedback. So your feedback is, it will be mentioned by to the comments. If you really put on the comments by the feedback, I'm definitely I'll appreciate on that cases. If any mistakes was there, I definitely am willing to be implement on these tricks and haircut techniques. Without your loves, I am zero completely on to the sessions which we are did it for a haircut things and all. So after the blow dries, we're going to be finishing on the texture. The texture is one of the major impacting for a haircut, which can be makes more bouncer, and finishing tricks will be come on to the techniques after the haircut, and hair layers will be visible very flexible and glossy finishing, and is visible very clean and nice as well. The movement will be very fluent. So that will be things which is called the butterfly layers. We completely going to be finished after that, after the haircut and after texture will finish, its cut will be almost going to be finished. So I hope you all understand the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because every time I bring such a contents like this, and according to it demands on the clients and on demand to the models as well. So please drop your feedback through the comments. I'm really appreciating who will be do the comments on that haircut videos. I'm willing to looking forward for genuine reviews by the haircut videos by comments. And if you want to follow my page, Insta and Facebook pages I mentioned in the description below, please go there and hit the like button, and please follow on my Facebook and Instagram page as well. So this is a final look up to the butterfly layers. I hope you all are enjoyed the video. Will we meet up to the next haircut, something different concept up to the haircut video. I hope you all are enjoyed the complete up to the haircut video. Will we meet up to the next haircut, something different concept. Until, take care and be safe.